Milkha Singh is no more, but his legacy, of course, lives on. He was the first Indian to win gold medal at the Commonwealth Games. Milkha was the best that India has seen on track. Here's our tribute to the legend, who is also known as the Flying Sikh.
Close tussle, but Milkha Singh of the services forges ahead.
Athletics for long has been considered a poor man's sport. Milkha Singh was no different, but his legacy made the sport richer. An entire nation rooted for him and shared his emotions every time he was sprinting his way to glory.
Milkha Singh establishes a new record timing of 46.1 seconds. Ahead to chalk a win for Southern Command.
After he was done in by his inexperience at the Melbourne Olympics in 1956, Milkha went to the Asian Games in Tokyo in 1958. Not many gave him a chance to win the 200-meter sprint, with Pakistani sprinter Abdul Khalik garnering all the attention.
अगर आप डरते रहेंगे कि हम वर्ल्ड कंपटीशन में जाएंगे, वहां पे जाके मार खा जाएंगे, तो आपकी अचीवमेंट नहीं होगी। मार तो पड़ती है, मार पड़ते हुए जो आदमी आगे बढ़ता है, वही आदमी जो है, आदमी अब नाम पैदा कर।
Milkha Singh ran like a wind until he was in touching distance of the finish line, where he stumbled, but he was still good enough to fetch a gold ahead of Khalik in a photo finish. He won another gold in the 400 meter and was crowned the Asian King. His gold medal at the 1958 Cardiff Commonwealth Games was another stuff of legends as he blew away the entire field.
जिस दिन मैंने हिंदुस्तान के लिए पहली बार सोने का तकमा ब्रिटिश एम्पायर एंड कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स के अंदर जीता, उस दिन रियली मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हुई। दूसरा खुशी का मौका वो था कि जब मैं दुनिया का माना हुआ एथलीट चुना गया और मुझे अमेरिका ने हेल्म्स ट्रॉफी अवार्ड की।
How difficult it is for an Indian to win a track and field gold at the Commonwealth Games can be gauged simply from the fact that it took India 52 long years for the next gold in a Commonwealth Games. He was the toast of a nation, but his stardom was yet to reach its peak. And that happened at the 1960 Rome Olympics, where he entered into the field as one of the favorites. It was a four-way race and Milkha was doing everything right in that 440-yard final, but a slight mistake that he has often admitted meant that he had to finish fourth behind Otis Davis, Carl Hoffman and Malcolm Spencer.
44.9 seconds has set up a new world record.
World records were shredded into pieces in that race, and Milkha himself scripted a national record that stood for close to 40 years. An appearance in the final of a track and field event at the Olympics is a rarity in India. Only a handful of Indians have been able to achieve the feat, while Milkha came agonizingly close to winning a medal in Rome. Most of the athletes may not have seen him compete in his heydays, but his legacy and story has inspired and will continue to inspire generations to come. Sports Bureau, India Today.